in which the researchers set aside all the preconceived experiences and will focus on the lived experiences of the participants. Doon, pag in-interview mo sila, meron doon silang masasabi na hindi talaga related doon sa study niyo. Horizontalization, the process by which the interview transcriptions read thoroughly and significant statement will be or were highlighted. Is i-highlight mo na yung mga important or significant na sinabi ng mga participants. Set aside yung mga hindi dapat dun sa sinabi nila or yung sa mga significant statement is pagkasama-samahin nyo naman yun. Next, out of the significant statement, meron naman tayong clusters of meaning. Will be or were formulated and used to write a textual description what the participants experience and structural description how the participants experience the phenomenon. Sa textual description po kasi, yung mga what question, commonly, ito yung mga verbatim. Yung mga sinabi talaga nila by words at sinulat mo. Pag sinabi naman structural, commonly ito yung mga how questions, yung process. Kahit wala siya sa letter, wala siya dun sa sinabi niya na sinulat mo, pero based sa damdamin at nararamdaman at yung value or yung idea is makukuha mo siya.